Everything RF. Latest products this week, 29th August to 4th September, 2024. 27 GHz low-profile flexible microwave cable assembly by Times Microwave Systems. Color-coded between series adapters from DC to 40 GHz by Mori Microwave. Down-up-down converter and beamformer for 5G mmWave applications by Analog Devices. Broadband RF termination from DC to 110 GHz by Hyperlabs. 8 to 12 GHz surface mount band pass filter by Knowles. 3-stage GaN power amplifier MMIC from 24 to 27.5 GHz by United Monolithic Semiconductors. 160-watt GaN on SiC power amplifier from 20 to 800 MHz by RFHIC. 750-watt solid-state signal source for RF energy applications from 902 to 928 MHz by Mini Circuits. 2 to 4 GHz, 360-degree, SEM-USB phase shifter by Vonix. A rugged RF shield box from 20 MHz to 6 GHz by RF Electronics. Universal, non-reflective 4x32 switch matrix from 100 kHz to 8 GHz by Becker Nachrichtentechnik GmbH. Single-channel direction finding antenna from 20 MHz to 8.5 GHz by Rode and Schwartz. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi 7 802.11b front-end module by Qorvo. 18 dB cryogenic isolator from 10 to 18 GHz by Low Noise Factory. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi 7 802.11b front-end module by Qorvo. LTE Cat 1 modules for M2M and IoT applications by Quectel. Surface mount gain block from 0.04 to 2.0 GHz by Gorilla RF. Right angle waveguide to coaxial adapter from 26.5 to 40 GHz by SpaceX Labs. AMI patches for blocking electric-magnetic fields from 100 Hz to 25 GHz by Worth Electronic. Cat-M, NB-IoT, cellular PCB mount antenna from 698 to 2700 MHz by T-Connectivity. Double-ridged horn antenna from 5 to 32 GHz by RF Spin. Horn antennas from 1.7 to 33 GHz by Pasternak Enterprises Incorporated. Embedded flexible PCB antenna from 617 to 6000 MHz by Airgain. 12-port multi-beam base station antenna from 698 to 960 MHz by Matzing. Everything RF, keeping you up to date with the RF and microwave industry.